Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, AUDUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are trying to go down. So let's see. Yeah. So this is Thursday now, and yesterday was this candle red. So the video which I recorded yesterday was this candle. So this was the candle when I uploaded the video yesterday, and then we went down. And now let's go back to 4 hour. That is your entry rejection from the EMA. So it's taking a pullback. Okay. We are looking for shorts in AUDUSD and also in nzdusd. So I don't record separate videos for nzdusd, but you can see here was this candle when yeah, this was the candle. Okay. Yesterday we were on this candle. Okay. So if I use my line, we were here. So this candle which you see, red one, this was forming when I was recording the video yesterday. And I told you that after this candle closes right here, you're supposed to take shorts. Okay. And then you see what happened. We went down. So if you listen to me yesterday morning, you made this kind of money. Okay. Tell me in the comments if you made money or not. Okay. Exactly what happened, I told you. Now it's going to happen again. It's a pullback time. Don't enter short right now. Wait for the rejection from the EMA once again, then red candle, and then we go down. Okay, so look for shorts, AUDUSD. That's it. Subscribe, like, and share the video, and go and get the software. Join the brokers, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.